In addition to the HIV and AIDS cancer match study data that we utilized, we also used data from the CDC, and in doing that we were able to predict that the HIV burden of those age 65 and so the population of 65 years and above of HIV-positive populations is going to increase from 4.1% to 20% by the time we reach 2030. So there is going to be a demographic shift in age. We also were able to observe age-specific incidence rates by 11 different cancer sites. So the cancer sites that we looked at can be subgrouped into two different types: AIDS-defining cancers, which include Kaposi sarcoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and cervical cancer, and non-AIDS defining cancers, which include cancers such as anal, liver, lung, prostate, breast, and colon cancer. And so what we found was that overall, the majority of age-specific incidence rates for each cancer site are either decreasing or maintaining the same rate as we observed from 2000 to 2012. But specifically, prostate cancer's age-specific incidence rate we're seeing that they're going to be increasing over time out to 2030. We also saw an overall decrease in burden of all cancer sites. However, what we observed was a shift from the majority of the burden of cancer shifting from AIDS-defining cancers to non-AIDS defining cancer. So what that means to us is that individuals who are taking their antiretroviral therapy are able to combat the AIDS-defining cancers, which are connected to infections that cause cancers. However, now that they're living longer, they are being affected by the cancers which affect the general population. So in 2030, the most common cancers that we predict will be prevalent among HIV-positive populations will include anal cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, and prostate cancer.